and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angie Flemings and welcome to this video. Now, as you can see by the title, I spent some money. It's okay, I'm a responsible adult. I just sometimes shop, and we all do it. We all do it. So before you start screaming at me, think about it. You spent some money too over the holidays. It doesn't matter if it was for a gift, you spent some money too. Mine was just money for me. First we have Ipsy. I have their monthly subscription. So every month I get a little something. And I did look in the website by accident because as soon as you open it, it shows you what you're getting. So inside is this with a pouch that says Ipsy on it, and the makeup is inside. You just open it up, there it is. So it has a card that says New Year, more products, more focus on you. And I get this fluffy brush. Looks nice. We have a liquid liner. I do liquid liner, and it's by Ico Linden. Never heard of them, but I love felt tip pens. Then we have Laga Prickly Pear. It's a really pink gloss. I'm wearing gloss right now. It smells like candy. It smells good. Let's see. It's not bad. You know how some glosses are just too pink? The last two items are Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I've been wanting to try Glam Glow. Their products are so expensive. Anything that smells good is a hit for me. Sin Sky Australian Pink Clay. I've been wanting to try this for my pores. Yes. And that was all for the first one, and Ipsy cost $10. So far I've spent $10. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is NYX. I got the NYX Professional Makeup Land of Lilies palette. It was on sale. Plus it looks really cute, so it's all metal in a lunchbox. Looks like that metal lunchbox feel. And then you open it up, and there are the shadows. This is Sugar Trip. This is what it looks like. And in this little lace baggie right here, Simply Vamp lip cream. And I got it in two different shades, 06 and 04. They look good. I got the NYX Full Coverage Concealer. I've never tried NYX concealer. I got Machinist Grind Highlight. Dual highlight. Micardo and Rose Wet, I think. NYX, I spent a total of $51.02. We have BH Cosmetics. Boom, boom. So as soon as you open it, I have this. And this is like a nice bag. I would use it as a makeup bag to like travel in. And in here I have some palettes. Array palette, 21 color eyeshadow highlight and contour palette. Another palette that I got is the Sylvia Garni Beauty palette. She just came out with it. Isn't she beautiful? I love the black. The next one I got for free, buying these, it just said recommend a Royal Affair BH Cosmetic palette for free, and I was like, okay. One of the last things are the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I've been wanting this palette for forever. Forever. And the last thing that I got from BH Cosmetics are professional brushes. And for all that, at BH Cosmetics, I spent a total of $81. ColourPop. So I ordered some lippies. And I ordered the set, the back added set, and the extra attention. I got the I Love Sarah ColourPop set, and it came up with the Through My Eyes palette and 3 lippies. Scared about that set because I didn't know if I would be able to wear the glosses, because in the online, the pictures of the dark skinned girl, it was really uneven. Like her lips, the way that they put it on, it just seemed like they put it on like they didn't care. So I was like, is this gonna look right on me? Because we need a better representation, a dark skinned person. And this is the palette, Through My Eyes. Oh, Jesus. The pop box, it was 87, 85, 87. We got Sephora in the house. Sephora. Now soon as I open it, I see my little sample packet. And this was a birthday gift, and it was by the Drunk Elephants. And it's a jelly cleanser and a polypeptide cream. This was the one that I was waiting to open. Oh my goodness. Oh! Are you guys ready to have a makeup orgasm? Because this is gonna take you there. Fenty. This is it right here. And when you open her, you get, oh my goodness, that is another kind of beautiful. This was mailed. I spent a total of $75. This one will get you guys excited too. Take off the pack. Bam! The matte book by the Crayon Case. What? Look at this. This is like a legit book. Like, this is crazy. This is their box of crayons palette. And this is the matte book. It's like, you have a whole school supply. I can't wait to get the makeup wipes because they look like loose leaf paper. And the eyeliner looks like a Sharpie. And the product is good. What? And she's black owned. Sis, thank you for blessing us. Okay, okay. All right, can't wait to dive into this. And that was $32. It's usually $25, but plus tax, $32. We got another one from ColourPop. Package came late. It says sorry we're late. So they gave me a free ultra glossy lip. I forgive you, ColourPop. I got another brow pencil in the shade Granite. I have another foundation in the shade Deep Dark 200. Oh, and I got a foundation stick. Creamy. Really creamy. Okay. I got a concealer. Cream gel liners. So the first one is in the shade Prince, Swerve, and then Fast Lane. Oh, and I got a highlight. And then I got the Wet and the Lit palette. By Bretman Rock. So with that ColourPop, I spent $65.04. Right here, it says, "You've been served." I think that's really cute. And there's a whole bunch of pink stuff. Oh, this is the setting powder. And isn't this really cute? It comes in a little flower bag. You just roll it up. This is the Beauty Bakerie Bitter Not Bitter Coffee and Cocoa palette. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. If you want to win this, just like this video, comment down below, make sure you subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my Instagram, subscribe to my Twitter and my Facebook. It's not my family Facebook, is my Earn Angie Makeup Lover Facebook, and you could be eligible to win this. Now Beauty Bakerie was 100. More Sephora. Now I actually went in the store and got these because I had to swatch certain stuff to make sure I got the right color and everything. So I got almost the whole line of Fenty Beauty. So I got the Fenty Beauty Primer, the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I got the Fenty Beauty Concealer, the Fenty Beauty Matchstick to contour with. Let's see how much. I got the Fenty Beauty Setting Powder, Fenty Beauty Gloss, yes, the Fenty Beauty Palette, the Moroccan Spice Palette. Oh, ain't she a beaut? Oh my goodness. Last but not least, I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Now all that came up to $287. So the last two are from Shop Miss A. You guys have heard me talked about Shop Miss A. Shop Miss A is a dollar product. Some products are $5, some products are $10. Like these products are $1.55, and it's their sponges, beauty blenders. They called Wonder Blenders, and they have microfiber ones, and they have this gloss that I want to try. And this is part of their new set. These are bamboo brushes. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Oh. That is soft. That is really soft. Eyeshadow palette. This was one that I saw them reviewing in their channel. They the girls were trying it out. I got the Wildlife palette, so you put it together. And all this together was $36.50. This is the last one. Now for the last box on Shop Miss A, I did get some brushes by She. I got some lashes. Oh, and I did get this oil, burning and body oil, because I have this thing that I light up in the hallway of my house, and you could burn oil and it just fills the whole house with beautiful scents. It smells good. It smells like a flower. I got the Alexis 6-piece lash set, and this is what I'm wearing Alexis right now as we speak. I had ran out and needed to restock on some more. Got the Majestic highlight. And then this last little piece, I got a lippy gloss, a regular gloss, and a Glow Baby little squirt. All of that was $32.05. Now today's haul was a total of $855.51. Before you get mad, I'm gonna have a whole bunch of videos ready for you guys, trying stuff out, telling you what's good and what's not. And plus, because you stayed in this long AF video, I'm giving away one of the Beauty Bakerie coffee palette and one of the Wonder Blender microfiber brush. So because you watched this whole video, the whole thing, thank you for waiting to the end, you get a chance to win these. I had a great time doing this haul, and if you like hauls, let me know. I will do them more often when I get more makeup. And then we'll see how much I spend next time. No, that won't be for a couple months because I need to get my shit together. No, I'm playing. I know some stuff that I want to get and review for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here for me. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.